Hey guys, I'm Gaston in a new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create a cool watercolor effect in Adobe Photoshop. So today's tutorial we need some textures and we need a brush and a photo, of course. So the texture I'm going to use in this tutorial is this one. Hold on. Okay, I'm going to use this texture right here. And this is my brush preset. So first of all, I'm going to grab it to my desktop for easily opening. I'm going to open Photoshop. Okay, this is the latest version of Adobe Photoshop CC. You can download it from there is a link in the description, so you can get this version right here. It includes 3D options and everything. Of course 3D can't work without graphic cards, so you don't have a graphic card, so 3D is not allowed to me to work with. Okay, now our Photoshop is ready to work. First of all, I'm going to open my texture file. Okay, open. I'm going to cancel this one. Okay, texture layer right here. I'm going to open it. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is to rotate it 190 degrees. Okay, so first of all, unlock it and go to edit and transform and rotate 90 degrees. Okay, now I'm going to create a new document with the width of 1280 by 720 and a resolution of 72 pixels per inch, and hit OK. I'm going to grab this texture to our new document, zoom out a little bit and change the width and large to fit in with our new document. Okay, that's great. Zoom in, and if you want to get the best resolution, click Ctrl and 0, and that's the best resolution for our photo. So now I'm going to grab my first of all, I'm going to merge these two layers. Okay, now I'm going to grab my photo, open, and I'm going to grab simple photos. So here, image, and this one for example. Okay, now I'm going to make a selection for the body, for only the body and not for the sea and the other parts of the photo. So I'm going to use my quick selection tool. I'm going to select it carefully, so don't care if you made any mistakes, you can undo it. So that's great. That's good. Now I'm going to remove some parts, so hold Alt and remove it. Okay, I think that's great. Now I'm going to grab my photo to here to our new document. I'm going to apply some effects. So selecting your photo layer, go to image, adjustment and gradient map. Okay, make sure that your foreground color is black and your background color is white. I'm going to put it black. Okay, now click here and drag it near the black color. You will get this effect right here. Click OK. Make sure that you are checking dither and hit OK. Now I'm going to change the blending mode to multiply. You see here that effect. Okay, now the next step, I'm going to define a brush preset. So I'm going to open my brush image, brush, that's it, that's here, hit open. Okay, go to edit, define brush preset, and name it what you want. I name it Watercolor, for example. No, we don't need for this, and that is can need it. Now select your brush tool. Oh, first of all, go to create a new layer and put it between the two background and the photo layer, and select its blending mode to multiply. I'm going to change my brush to brush preset just made. Decrease the size a little bit. See right here. So now we are going to apply some settings to our brush. Okay, undo it. If you don't have this right here, you can go to window and brush, check the shape dynamics, make sure that it's 100%, is 0, 140 and 1%. Check scattering and make sure that it's both axes with edges and smoothing. Go to your brush tip shape and increase the spacing a little bit. That's great. You see here we have wet brush. So we are going to do next step is really important. So selecting this layer, right click and create clipping mask. Our photo will disappear, but we can get it. So as you see right here, when clicking on second layer, middle layer, you can get back your photo. You can see it right here. So our next step is really based on that. So create a new layer. We are going to add some colors. Not here. We are going to add some colors. Okay, this one, and create clipping mask. Go to your gradient tool, or go to select spectrums. Okay, 3 spectrums, small thumbnail. Select the first one. We are going to make it here, right here, and select the blending mode to screen. You see that? It's watercolor effect, as you can see. So we have some other works to do. So I'm going to duplicate this layer, and I'm going to add some layers, some watercolors. Create a new layer, put it between this, and we are going to pay to our brush right here and add some photos. Okay, you can see that our effect is really nice. So thanks guys for watching me. That was Gaston for PC Professionals in a new tutorial. I hope you like it. So you can find all the links in the description, so don't worry about it. Goodbye guys.